Did you notice the sentiment score for the environment has spiked to plus 0.07, and momentum is sitting at a strong plus 0.64? That's a significant change when you consider the historical baseline. This uptick indicates a growing positivity around environmental discussions, which could be a game changer for your projects. Our API provides you with sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters, allowing you to understand the nuances of public opinion in real time. Imagine leveraging this data to enhance a sustainability-focused application, or to inform your environmental strategy. It could give you a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving landscape. To dive deeper into how our tools can help you harness this momentum, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.